Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Do You Know Your Crystals? Video number 20. And if you've guessed, this one is Green Aventurine. It has a bright green color with white gray bands. I don't know if you can see the bands in it very well or not. It is opaque with some luster. And the green color comes from fuchsite. This beauty is used to increase love, so if you need your love increased, this will help with that. Helps to support prosperity and abundance, so if you need a little more prosperity and abundance, it'll help with that. And it facilitates healing, and it introduces new friendships. So if you need some new friends in your life, carry this one around with you. And the chakra that this one goes with is your heart chakra. So you can place it on or near the heart chakra. Wear as jewelry, so a necklace would be perfect. You can carry it in your pocket. And when you want to receive friendship, you want to hold it in your receiving hand, your non-dominant hand. And when you want to give friendship, you hold it in your dominant hand. You can also keep this in the prosperity corner of your home or room. And this beauty can be found in Brazil, China, India, Italy, Nepal, Russia, and Tibet. Hopefully this short video was informative enough for you. And if there are any other crystals or gemstones that you are interested in, let me know in the comment box, and make sure you hit like if you like these videos. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I wonder which beauty I will be going over next. See you then!